This is me, Kunal, going Varanasi for the planning for bridge tour. It's June 7 and let's go.
Wow, this is awkward. Never have I ever vlogged before.
Just right now I received a call from Dasindia. He's calling me to the office.
And here we have a door that leads nowhere. Yeah, that's the word. Don't waste your time knocking on doors that don't lead anywhere.
Just reached the office.
What's up? So this is our alabaster house.
What बोल रहा है? This is the alabaster.
Yeah, so
This is Dasindia.
this is I don't know who is.
So this is the alabaster house.
Oh man.
Hey brother. Yes, like this week will be very interesting for me. Yeah, really nice room.
The sound of silence in this airport is astonishing us completely. Like in Mumbai, I'm not used to this. In Delhi? Wow, this is so silent for an airport. Look at that. Can you hear anything?
Oh my god.
Team is here.
भाई मुझे भी नहीं पता, बट आपने जैसे कहा ये तूफान से आने
वाली शादी है.
Welcome to our bus house.